Welcome back to the channel. My name's Tomas Spragg Nilsson, and on today's 60 Seconds of Sweden, we're going to talk about the Swedes' love affair with the forest. So let's put 60 seconds on the clock and let's get into it. Sweden is approximately 50% forest. That's 22.5 million hectares of forest. Now, to put that in context, that's just a couple of million hectares short of the entire landmass of the United Kingdom. Now, in the north, most of the trees are very pine-like, and in the south there's a lot of spruce. And here in the middle we've got, in this forest today, a nice mixture of birch, oak and pine. Now, why is it that Swedes love going in the forest so much? Well, for a lot of reasons, but mostly because they can. And that's thanks to something called Allemansra, the everyman's right, most commonly called the right to roam. And this is a right that's guaranteed by the Constitution. This gives you, with some exceptions, like not going on people's private gardens or going on cultivated land, this gives you the right to explore Sweden in any way you can, legally, to cycle, to go, to swim, to even camp overnight. And the main value behind this is that you should enjoy the forest, but you should not destroy or disturb. You should treat the forest with as much respect. So why is it that Swedes love going into the forest so much? Well, for me, it's because they have a fundamental right. So if you're in Sweden on a crisp November morning like I am, make the most of it. Get out and enjoy the forest. How's that? Is that okay? Yeah, wasn't quite 60 seconds. Yeah, I'm working on it. Okay.